What is up? What's going on? Who's in the chat? Welcome to another stream. Let me go ahead and finish setting some things up, and I'll be right on my way. What's up, James? How we doing today? Not much. Decided to stream today, but we have so far on the game this much going on so far. What's up, noob dev? But if you guys are new here, we are trying to make a build type game. So if you look on Roblox right now, there's these like build a games, and yeah, that's what I'm trying to replicate right here. But my version is gonna be build an ATV.
For the ones who get it done, the most important.
How's the music going?
And the best partner is the
How
one.
is that? I know there's an ad. How is the music? Nice game, thanks. Is the music too loud? Can you hear it? Let's see. Like the music should be quieter than I am. How's the music? Is it too loud? Let me know. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this since I only have about an hour and a half that I can stream. So yeah. What's up, Sam John? Say Jamon. What's up? But alright, so I realized that there's something called this plugin called Lemonade. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. Probably have. But it's this AI type thing that connects from the web browser or whatever. So let me go ahead and open up that. Lemonade. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Oh yeah, you do have me added on Discord. One second. Let me just see if I can find it real quick. Your name is Doc? Yeah, I know who you are. Lemonade.gg. That's what it's called. And it connects to your browser. So let me go ahead and sign in real quick. But how are we doing today? How's everybody in the chat? Alrighty, so we have this open. So we're gonna see. Can I add a new project? 1 second. Got 2 watching, but let's see. Connect. Yo. Install plugin. I do have it though. So open studio, yeah, I do have it. So what's the problem? Where is it? I'm not understanding why it's not working. It worked for me the other day, so. Okay, and I've done that. Plugin not connected. name. Can I just connect this game? Build an ATV. Build an ATV. Not sure why it's wanting to connect. So we might just go with ChatGPT today. So, well, Lemonade doesn't work so far. But now let's move on to the ChatGPT then. So we need to make. If you guys don't understand how this game works, let me go ahead and pull it up real quick. But you can build your own game. So it just seemed kind of fun to make, so I just decided why not make it. And this is one of my inspos that I'm using. And you can build your own car. It's like 4 things that you usually have. You have propellers in this game, or wheels in my game, and then you have gas in this game, and gas in other one. You have a seat, and then you have blocks. So that's basically all you need. And then whatever motor you have, which in this game you don't have a motor. What's up? My username is this on Roblox. What's up? But basically most of these games have the same type of things, but if you launch, the better stuff you have, the faster you can fly, or the faster you can go. What's up, gravy? But yeah, all these games are about similar, and then you get how much money you get, and then to buy the stuff you can go into this shop to buy extra stuff, and then you can come over here and buy block, wing, fuel can, propeller, seat, reinforced block, better fuel. You can build a whole bunch of stuff. Gravy said, "Do you remember me?" I do not. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be building. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The other night I went, and if you were there for that stream, we were trying to figure out how I was gonna do this, but I didn't really get very far in about 45 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead and start and explain the game that we are making. So I am making a Roblox game that when you can build your own ATV. I'm making a Roblox game. You can build your own ATV with wheels, motors, seats, and blocks. Work. Need to make the ATV parts work. And let's see what they figure out with this. Let's see, rust it. I need to. This is what I'm gonna do. I need to rephrase that a little bit better. Be able to build. Alright. There we go. Alright, now it's parts. This in start player scripts. Start player scripts. So I'm guessing just a normal script, just like that. And what's this? This is basically the same script, but we're not gonna be using that. Oh, it's a client. Okay. I don't. Let me look that up. Okay, local script. So we're gonna delete this. That's what I was thinking. Don't want that to be the reason that it's messed up. So that's that. What do they call that? That's grid based. Grid system. Placement module. Replicate storage placement system. Module. Already forgot. Storage. What's up, Lays? What type of script? It's kind of annoying because they won't tell me what type of script, and I don't really understand scripting. We're just gonna add a script because it might be right. Do you guys script? Because I'm a little bit confused. This is the script. Server side placement, exploits, and physical ATV model, and server script service. Holy hell. Server script service and server side. Oh. Okay, so this is a server. This is a normal script. Where? Server scripts. Next we have making it drivable. Must include wheel, motor property, wheels connect. Use of vehicle seat. This is wheel models. So we have all these vehicle parts. Snaps on the grid, server, verify. Auto wells. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll find out. Let's see, we have nothing. Maybe these need to be out of Roblox stores, that way we can actually pick them up. Maybe. And my wheel is running away. Great, okay. I guess let's...
Experience
I'm not
is your
gonna
big financial friend,
delete
helping you explore
everything.
credit card offers with confidence. Some cards are labeled.
I'm just gonna... 1 second. Wait for the music to come back, and... So... I guess I'm probably gonna ungroup all this. Where is it? Holy, there's so much stuff. I guess we make the building system first with the snap-on grid. That way we have something to build with. And I think we'll just build first off with this. Well, if we named all these the... So if I just... Alright. Let's just reload this. I am making a Roblox game that includes block building. I need a placement system stud by stud. Placement system stud by stud. One second. I have since been alerted that my mic is kind of quiet. So I'm gonna put the mic a little bit closer to my face and make sure it's all the way turned up. That way you can hear me a little bit better. This should be a lot better. So now, stud by stud, I have the placement area spawned. What's up, Taro? How we doing? Area spawned. It is named placement area in the workspace. The workspace. So, area, placement area in the workspace. I need placement system for a part named seat part. Seat part. What else do we have? We have motor part. Motor part. What else? We have frame part, fuel tank part, and wheel part. Wheel parts. What's up, Astri Roblox? I'm doing good. Wheel part or frame part. Frame part and then the fuel tank part. Yeah, I am making a game. It's gonna be, I'll show you. It's gonna be a build a game. So on Roblox, there are these build games that you can build like different types of vehicles and whatever. So I wanted to try that, and here's a game similar. So yeah, so you go like this, and then you go like this, and then you can fly. And there's a bunch of these games, and there's like motors, propellers, gas or whatever. So yeah, there's a lot to it. But I just figured it'd be kind of fun to make it. But I mean, there's not much going on. Thanks. What's up, Nico? Alright, back to it. Place on the placement area. Placement area, and then all of the spawning parts will be in the And then times will be in inventory. This is long work. Yeah. Yeah, I don't script, so I mean, we'll see what we can do with ChatGPT. Never done anything with ChatGPT really, honestly. But let's see. Frame part. Need all these, so I see this whole folder in starter pack. And let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Came with all this. Just a piece folder setup. Placement area plus area. Let's rename to place area. Just like that. Build parts. Replicate storage. Build parts. We need this to build parts. You can put this in replicated storage. I'm gonna delete the other stuff that we had. Because I don't need it, I don't think. And close this. I can work without clutter. Start a player scripts, start a player, then start player scripts, placement Lua, the script below. Okay. So here, and what type of script would this be? Client, so local script. So I said put this where? Put this in starter player scripts. Starter player scripts, local script, Control V. Well, that didn't work. So copy this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Be happy to answer them. This is gonna be called. What's up, demon? So this is supposed to be. Wait, did I get? Yes, I did.
While the Who's of Whoville laughed and made cheery, the Grinch hatched a plot.
Please stop spamming, please.
Pickle seasoning on fries, knitted argyle stockings. That'll sure make for a shocking
Let me turn off that ad. Yeah, please don't spam. I will have to mute you if it does get out of hand. Shark, yo, can I be an admin? I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Maybe. I might let you. Alright. And then anything else, select part from inventory. Button script is call. Alright. Now we're gonna see. And we don't have anything in our inventory. Do we have any errors? Yes, we do. So I will copy and put it in here. Nothing works. Here's the error message. Control V. I have done this before and it works. Check the exact name and the object must be named exactly. Okay. So I think that's what my problem is. Renames. How's everybody doing today? Let me know if you are having a good day. Let's try that. And nothing still works. So we're gonna do the same thing. Let's see. Screenshot, because that'd probably be a lot better because I am a little bit confused. Here, let me sign up real quick so I can send this picture. But I'll still be here, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Now would be the time to ask them if you have any. I like so much for the live for now. And if you guys have not liked the video or the stream yet, go ahead and hit that like button because it will help. It'll help this stream get invited to other people. Alright, I'm live in here. Okay. Get back, alright. No. That did not go as planned. No, I just lost all that, dang it. Man. I was just perfectly fine. Here we go, here we go. No, yes. Alright. You liked and subbed to all my videos. Thanks. Alright, reliable way to reference the placement area. I'll try to continue like this. It is not inside of a model, it's inside of a building. Just like that. Get rid of this. Just put all this in that, and then delete the map. Alt. Name of this and bring this all the way up here. I can, probably not. But this is all the way down here at the bottom. Placement area. Just like that. Output shows possible yield. Placement area. Rebuild the system. Doesn't work. I want it on the place on the part inside of building. On the part placement in a model it's building in the work space. Building in the workspace. 1, 8, 1 stood for the red. Here we go. Alright. Grid size 1 stud. All these into 0 errors. Yeah, right. 0 errors. Yeah, right. And starter player scripts, client Lua. Starter player scripts. And just like that. Alright, that should work. Technically, with 0 errors. ChatGPT, you have 0 errors, but it just doesn't even work. Alright. Doesn't work. 0 errors. The inventory doesn't work. Oh. Nothing is happening when you click inventory buttons. Issues. UI and a placement is not a placement code. So, yes, it is. I know it is. I know it is. Okay, storage start placement remote event. So sad. This is okay. Storage start placements. Replicated storage. Remote event. Start place. Name must be start placement. It is. Starter scripts. I can 100% guarantee this won't work. Inventory button. Local scripts, not the UI button. ATVs. Alright, this thing's stupid. Where this is reinvented. This is totally different. Watch, it won't work. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay. So the inventory items aren't even showing up. I want to use the basic Roblox UI for the inventory system. Tire system. No, I'm using basic. Okay, this is. Okay, I don't wanna. I don't know. This is no.
This year, Avery will give her mom a $300 coat and not tell her family she only paid half that, because all is fair in sibling rivalries, and it's what they thought that counts. Yes, Jason.
Working across teams is
Alright.
Asana, don't you handle it. Asana AI can spot roadblocks and assign work to keep everything.
I don't want anything.
That's how work gets handled.
And now it's giving me 5 different scripts. This is annoying. UI's kind of. ChatGPT is kind of stupid. Not gonna lie. I don't want you to rebuild it. I just. 500 times we will redo this. And then what else? Inventory UI. Very simple. Inside UI. It's doing it again. I don't want it to do this. I'm not even gonna add it if it does. If it doesn't even understand that it's not. Alright, this is making me mad. This is actually making me mad. Okay. Look. Well, Roblox Studios though. Okay. I don't understand why ChatGPT doesn't understand that this is just using. I don't know. It's being kind of stupid. I hope this doesn't, how many lines of code? Because it was 109, yep. Alright. We're good. So... Alright. I think... What's up, Nighters? W. Yeah. Oh, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it so they have to touch the part and then it'll go to your inventory. What game am I making? I'll show you. So I am making a build a game. So if you go on Roblox or whatever, you'll find these building games, as you can see here, that basically you go into the shop. It's almost like grow garden style, but you can buy blocks to like make your plane or vehicle or whatever, and then you got a wing for the flying, fuel, some sort of motor, a seat, and then the rest is optional. So then you build it, and then you can launch like this. You can fly around. So yeah, this is what I'm making. Yeah, but I'm making a car game. I do have a better example if you want to see it. I can pull it up real quick. It's called Build a Car. It's a little bit more what I'm going for. So yeah, we're here. Basically the same idea, same map, same everything. We got this slab, block, wheel, gas tank, engine, good wheel, bigger tank of gas, and then better engines, better wheels, whatever. I'm not making a build a. Yes, it's similar to build a plane, but it's closer to build a car, build a vehicle. But yeah, as you can see right here, it looks kind of goofy, but yeah, that's what I'll be making. And it's getting kind of frustrating because AI doesn't understand. But yeah. Yo, you subs, let's go. Always can use more subs. Always. How many subs are we at right now? Let me check. We started the channel. We started this stream at 314. Now we're at 320, so we've gained 6 subs. Let's go. What's up, Bones? Good game, thanks. Yeah, so far it's not that great, but it's coming along. Isn't AI bad? It's kind of making me mad right now, so kind of, yes. It's kind of frustrating to work with, especially when you're not doing something as simple as a grow garden game like I did multiple months ago. So, yeah. We got 5 watching. I just saw 7, so that's kind of crazy for my channel. You use AI all the time? Why is it making you mad? Well, it's right now it is. I'm coming into here and it doesn't understand default Roblox UI. So I said Roblox default UI. And then it says creating one. I don't want to create one. So yeah, it's just kind of getting frustrating. I've done easier things, and it can easily do that stuff. But making something like this, yeah, that's a little bit more difficult, for sure. 7, like 6, 7, 6, 7. I get copyrighted for saying 6, 7. All right. You use it for your game? Well, see, I don't do any scripting. Like, I use ChatGPT once every couple months, and that's it. So, I understand if you do, like, a little bit of scripting, you know a little bit about scripting. I know nothing about scripting. Even though I tried to learn it a little while ago, like, a couple months ago. But that didn't go out very well. Yeah. Well, I'm mainly model and build or whatever, so not usually in my not in my bag of tools. Yeah, I just gonna have to work with it because it's just getting kind of annoying right now. Alright, I'll add the rework it. I wanna make it so when you touch it with your character, you get it in your we then can place on the placement area. Watch, it'll make this. Anchored equals false. Okay. Can collide equals true. Has touch interest. Normal part works. I don't want to log in. What's an ATV? Like a four-wheeler? Like a type thing. A four-wheeler is the easiest way to explain it. I don't remember ever adding anything. That anchored equals false. And none of these are anchored. Can't collide. This one doesn't have it, then nothing will. Can collide equals true. Yes. Alright. So, server script to give it to your inventory. Place this in your works. In this script to the workspace. Pickup server. Pickup handler. Huh? Place this script in workspace. Pickups. Chill, bro. Yeah. Roblox AI verification running is ruining Roblox and work outside your age group. Yeah. Roblox AI verification. What's that? Oh, yeah. And not work outside your age group. Yeah, so if you get registered as like an 8-year-old, you'll only be able to like, I don't know. Yeah, it is annoying though. Alright. Server script, workspace, pickups, server handler. Yeah, in a studio. Pickups. Workspace, pickup, servers, server pickup. Oh, you have to work with the same age group. Oh man, that's really bad. So if you get registered as like an 8-year-old, you can't work with the people that are like 16-year-olds or whatever that get what I wanted to do was just use somebody else's face or like some sort of doll or something. I don't know. Like anything, like even a mannequin head. I wonder if that would work. Because I'm not gonna put my face on Roblox. But that's bad. That's bad. Inventory. I'm just gonna let it make its inventory. The script inside of inventory UI. So inventory screen GUI. Okay. So screen GUI rename to, what did they say to rename it to? Inventory UI. It won't work. People try the doll. Won't work. I wonder. Does Dizzy after tried to create part blender for the machine? So like to create it to like make like an engine or what? What do you say? Create the machine app with I don't understand what you're saying, Nico. Alright. Frame UI grid layout. Okay. Frame. So I gotta just put this right here. Try to make like the parts for the game, for the building aspect. Is that what you're saying? Local script. A random traffic cone said, I just joined, can I have some context on what the game is? Yeah, so if you have seen these games, it's called Build a Car, Build a Vehicle, whatever, and that's basically what I'm trying to make. So basically it's you buy a block, which is a building tool, and then you have a wheel or whatever you want to call it, and then you have some sort of gas, you have an engine, and then you have better gas, better engine, better wheels, whatever. So basically you build your own car, then you drive it and you see how far you can go, and you make money off of that, and then you make a better car or whatever. Yeah, those games are cool. Yeah, I played one of these games before, and I just decided why not make one. So yeah, it's a game where you need to create machines. I think it'd be so fun. I'm not sure what you mean, Nico. We got 7 people watching. Let's go. RS replicate storage. I think I can just leave it like that. I believe that was the last thing. Put that back where that was. So right here. Just like that. Alright, now time for a test run. So okay. Okay. That's an improvement for sure. Alright, and then do we have any? Yes, we do. So let's Control copy this and let it know what is happening. Let's go with this. Okay, it worked. It worked. It worked. I'll definitely fix that for sure. Tested it and got an error message. It is in the placing doesn't work. The UI does. There we go. Okay, so we have some improvements for sure. Wins everything. Our client can only be called from the server.
We're the ones who pay attention to every little detail.
We got an ad. There we go. That's better. It happens because set up earlier. Try to fire remote. It's not allowed. Only server scripts can call. Okay, so your pickup model touch the locals. Cannot give inventory via client. Okay, remote events and replicated storage. Start placement. We have that already. Then what's the other one called? Give inventory. That's what it was. Give inventory. Just like that. Pick up server. Okay. Pick up handler. Alright. Okay, well, I added that wrong. Server. So, do you guys know, is a server script like a normal script, or is it a local script? Because I get a little confused about that. I think it's a normal script, so just like any other script. 25. Alright, let's test it. See if that actually does work. Okay. Server scripts, specs. Mr. Rich, production, server script to fix the server, local scripts only affect the player. Okay. What's up? What's up? Thanks. I gotta fix that. Let me fix that real quick. So, technically, if I just control copy and edit a local script. So in this case, I would need a local script. Is that what you're saying? I'm pretty sure that's what they mean, because it's the total opposite. Pick up, what was it called? It was called pick up handler. That's what it was. Pick up handler, there we go. Now we'll try this real quick. It does not work now, so okay, so I think and then when I add this in, this works, right? Alright, well, let me bring this error back. I did everything you said. Made sure it was a server script and still had same problem. Here's error message. Add the placements. This, please. Alright, I did fix it. So TypeScript's still a local. It's not a local script. Local scripts run on the client. They cannot. Please do this. Is the music too loud? Let me know, cause I just want to make sure it's not too loud and my voice isn't that quiet. I just want to know. Okay. Do I have a different nope, not anywhere. This is Fire client can be called from the server. Is this the problem right here? I wonder if that's the problem right there. Maybe not. Local script. Let's test it real quick. See if it works perfectly fine. It's not very great at bug fixing, so that's really the only thing. No, because the on client event has to be a script on a script to affect all players. Okay. I'll make sure. Oh, local. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense now. Is the music good? Or is my voice too loud, or what? I just need a break real quick. Let's do a little Q&A, so if you guys have any questions for me. Just as a little break. Do a little Q&A. Music and everything's good. Perfect. that's good. We'll probably be ending pretty soon. So, probably right in about 15 minutes. Probably be ending. So, what's up, Elena from the other day? What's up? We're doing a little Q&A, so if you have any questions, let me know. I think later I'm probably gonna upload a video on this channel. Y'all have any questions for me? If not, then I'll go ahead and get back to work. I just was wondering if you guys have any questions for me. The delay in the stream is a little bad, but that's alright. I'm guessing you guys don't have any questions. So I'll go ahead and get back to work till about 2:30. So we got about 12 minutes left. So let me put, while I'm thinking about it, I can add a little clock. Let me go ahead and figure this sucker out. Timer. So we have about 11 minutes. So about 11 minutes till stream ends. I'm gonna try to work on stream a little bit, but so let's go ahead and get back to work. So where are we at? We're at, we can pick up the frame part, infinite yield. So it's it won't let me place stuff. Perfect. So fix. Put all the parts you want in this folder. Build parts, perfect. That's where I have. Oh, replicate storage. Why do you want replicate storage? Make sure the data names match exactly what your inventory buttons said. Can be anchored or not, but they should be in templates so the placement script clones. Cannot find build parts. Never got created. It is showing in we just won't equip in place. Inventory button showing when clicked, placement never appears. Start placement, removement is not correctly handled. Given inventory. Fire server. client. Check, you should not be trying to fire client. Server is client only. Instead, your inventory frame local script. So let's change this. It'll be a little bit longer. Place the button with this. Start placement should be a remote event. You don't fire at all from the server. Instead, local script should call a local function. Place the button with. Oh, I was supposed to add a button. Whoops. Button. Text button. No, I don't know. Had pancakes. Who said that? Empire? Empire said that? I don't. Have you been in the stream before? Because I feel like I recognize your name. Place the button with this. Local script call function. Place the button, click with this. Just like that, I guess. I'm guessing. I really want to hit 10 viewers. That'd be great. Okay, simplest starter player script, placement, client, module script. What is a module script? What is a module script? If any of you guys know. I feel like Mr. Rich Productions would know what a module script is. If so, let me know. Starter player scripts. But supposedly I already added one. I guess it's just a local script. That's what I'm guessing. It's a big script. 92 before and 92 after. Module. What's a mod? Like, what's a module? No clue what a module is. No fire client. RS. I feel like I know what that is. That is up here. Yes, it is. Module script is a script that reuses functions or others code in multiple scripts. Just keep it nice and clean. Okay. So it's more of just like, what type of script is it? Talent show productions with light effects, cameras, manipulation, etc. Okay. Interesting. I don't think that's gonna be changed though. Inventory local script. Inventory. This. Here it is. All right, let's test it real quick. Hold on, let me delete that button because I don't think we're supposed to have that there. Yo, finally be able to make it to one of the streams. Yeah, I'm about to end in like 4 minutes. So, yeah, Eggman. Alright, so it's still not working. I don't know why, but I think I'm probably gonna end it off on that. I have no clue if I'll be able to stream tomorrow. But yeah, today was a really good stream. And I think it's kind of funny, Eggman always comes in when I'm almost done. Yeah, I've already been streaming for an hour and a half or so. For the type of script, it just depends on how you use it. If you want it for the server, then yeah, it can be for the server. If you want it for local script, it can be local. Okay, that's good to know. Game has come a long way. Kind of. Not really, though. So far, we have a pickup system. But, like, it comes right through here. And then you stand on it, and right now, it doesn't work. But, I'll fix it. And it's supposed to come up right here, and then I want to click it and place. And then I'll just have it, like, not destroy itself. And then eventually make it into the shop, because right now we're just trying to get the building done. What's up, Brian? We're just about to end the stream, and now we're at 7 viewers. It's pretty good. 6 viewers. But yeah, today was a really good stream. I hope to stream tomorrow, and sorry I haven't streamed the past couple days. I'm just trying to... I've been busy, so... yeah. So, I think I'll probably go ahead and hop off. So, I'll see you guys later, either tomorrow or something. If it's not tomorrow, then it'll be more than likely Tuesday. But I think I'll probably stream tomorrow, though. But I will catch you guys on the next stream. So, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep making videos just like this. And I'll see you later. Peace out.